So guys, in this video I just want to remind you guys again and again about how to measure the hair length and the wigs and the lace frontal lace closure, because just like 20 minutes ago there was one lady show me the picture. The other vendors sold her a wig and she received a wig which is short length, because I think she probably bought the hair length 26 inch, but she told me she received the 22 inch. So let me show you now. So the lady sent me this hi and she sent me this picture. You see, she asked me, is this correct? She asked me, is this correct to measure the hair at the wig's length? You see, the other vendor, this is the photo she got from the other vendor who sold her the wig. And look at the other vendor, what they are doing from the top to the end. You see, they said this is how to measure the wig. From top to the end, the bottom. And here another one, I show you here, from the top to the bottom to measure. They said this is correct. So if you watch my video like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I already reminded you this is the wrong way to measure the wig, because they're playing game. This is a big lie, and they said this is wrong. This is wrong. Actually, this is correct, but they say it's wrong. This is correct, like this. And they will tell you the hair length of straight wig, the hair length of the straight wig should be measured from the wig head, to the bottom, like this. You can see what they write there. So this is the hair game on internet. I feel like there's still a lot of ladies don't know how to measure the hair wigs, because I posted this video like 2 years ago, 4 years ago, but unfortunately I didn't market the video I posted. I just posted the video and let the ladies who can see it, then they see it, but I didn't do the marketing to expose the video. So there are still a lot of ladies need to be educated like this. She asked me, and I tell her they lie. Go to watch our videos. We already posted one video to teach people how to measure their wig length many months ago, 1 year ago. So actually there's a video for ladies to study the hair business, because there are a lot of liars. We try to scam you. Keep watching our video, subscribe our video, then you can learn a lot.
But yes, I already do have a hair business, and
so
I work with a lot of different vendors, and I was using this vendor as a new vendor for like my middle grade hair, which is the 10A hair. So I use her for the 10A hair. And I received my first wig and I measured it, and it was like 4 inches off. And I contacted her about it, and she was like, this isn't the right way to measure the wig. And I'm like, how come? Because the hair length is supposed to be 24 inches, and it isn't.
What I told her is not only about the lace wigs, but also the lace closure and the lace frontal. So you need to double check, because you know why. That's how they can sell this hair very cheap price. And because ladies always want cheap price. When they see cheap price, they will buy, but they don't know which hair they're buying. They don't know they are buying the short hair length, and they don't know actually they are paying the high price for the short hair. So please, ladies, go to watch my videos and you can learn a lot on my channel. I hope this case will not happen to you in the future. This is very normal. A lot of ladies think, because they are marketing, a lot of vendors do like that, so people will think, oh, this is how to measure the hair wigs. No, actually no, it's a big lie. So let me make a short video to combine together, because the light is very light in the video I just made. So the lady just sent me the picture. This is the picture the other vendor sent to her. So they said this is right. Actually, it's wrong. The hair length of straight wigs should be measured from wig head to the head tip. Is very big line, and this is right, but they say wrong. This is the right way. The right way to measure the hair length. This is the right way to measure the hair length like this. But I had a video years before. I can send my link to you under the comments box when I post this video. This is wrong, all wrong to measure the hair wig, all wrong to measure the length. So she asked me, is this correct? Is this correct? Then I say they lie. It's big lie. That is go to watch our videos. We already posted one video to teach people how to measure the wig length many months ago, 1 year ago. So actually there's a video for ladies to study the hair business, because there are a lot of liars. We try to scam you. Keep watching our video, subscribe our video, then you can learn a lot. So probably she bought the 26-inch, but she received the 22-inch. This one, she said.
Yes, I just started working with this vendor because I've dealt with a lot of vendors, and I always measure my hair. Like, I know how to measure the hair, and I watched the video. That's how I found you.
Yeah, she knows how to measure the hair.
But yes, I already do have a hair business, and I work with a lot of different vendors, and I was using this vendor as a new vendor for like my middle grade hair, which is the 10A hair. So I use her for the 10A hair. And I received my first wig, and I measured it, and it was like 4 inches off.
4 inches off.
And I contacted her about it, and she was like, this isn't the right way to measure the wig. And I'm like, how come? Because
how come?
The hair length 4 inches, and it isn't.
So we help this okay.